Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use PMT, IPMT and PPMT formula in Excel. Okay, so where to use and how to use. So here you will see this is loan and this is the name of person who has taken the loan, okay, from the bank. So Max has taken loan amount of 2 lakh rupees. Okay, rate is 10% and period, the time period for 24 month. Okay, so we will find out per month EMI means installment, how much rupees Max has to pay to bank per month, then per month interest value. So in EMI amount, how much he is paying interest value and how much he is paying principal value. Okay, so how to count that? So here are three formulas: PMT, IPMT and PPMT, so by which he can easily find out. So first we find out per month EMI or installment. Okay, so to find out we will use PMT formula equals to now PMT. Okay, then here it will ask for rate, so this is the rate. Now we have to divide by 12 because I want to find out, this is annual rate and I want to find out per month. Okay, then it will here you will see NPAR. NPAR means the time period. Okay, then if it is in month you have to just select that. If it is in year you have to divide by 12. Okay, then it will ask for PV. PV means principal value. Okay, so now you have to select that. Now in front of principal value you have to enter minus. Okay, so that the all the numbers will be in positive. Okay, then okay, so this is the installment or EMI value Max has to pay per month. Okay, for 24 month, then or 2 years. Okay, then here you will see per month in interest value, so how much interest he has to pay per month. Okay, so total value is this, and now we are going to find out how much money or how much rupees he is paying per month in EMI as an interest value. Okay, so for interest value you have to use equals to IPMT. IPMT formula. Okay, so the rate you have to select rate. We have to divide it by 12 because we are calculating in months. Then here you will see per. Okay, so as we are going to find out first month EMI interest value, so you have to just use one, type 1. Then NPR means the time period. Okay, then PV means this principal value. Now close, you have to just enter minus in front of PV value. So this is the interest he is paying per month or in the first month of the EMI. Okay, then we are going to find out per month principal value, means how much he is paying principal value of. So equals to, for principal value you have to use PPMT. Then rate, you have to just select rate divided by 12. Per means first month, this is first month, we are calculating first month principal value. Okay, then NPR means 12 this time period, then PV value, then you have to just use minus in front of that. So you will see that he has to pay per month EMI installment is 9,228 rupees, in which interest is 1,666 and principal value is 7,562. Okay, so like this you can use PMT, IPMT and PPMT in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.